I am out here at Pioneer Park. I'm out here with the Mini 2, and I thought that they had updated something to where you could live stream, but I'm not seeing anything on here that's doing that. Alright, so I'm not seeing anything about that, so I might as well fly it around for a couple of minutes. I thought that was since I've been flown it so long, I'll at least fly it around for a couple of minutes. It goes fast in that sport mode, guys. Okay, this thing's fast as hell. You know, this thing, it's still a beast. Still a beast. Beast mode. Okay, there's nothing happening at the training center. Nothing happening at the landfill. There's just nothing happening. It's just kind of like a boring day. As you can see, I'm in the sport mode, so it's doing 35 miles an hour. 36, it made it to 36 there for a second. So yeah, it's zooming. 36 miles an hour is pretty fast. Okay, so I don't know. I thought I saw something this morning that there was some kind of update for this thing that would let it live stream. So I must be mistaken. Maybe I should call Ron Brown, the legend himself, and he can tell me what's up. Oh, I love this Mini too. Thing is great. This thing is fantastic, guys. Wow. I cannot say enough about this thing. Mini is great. I'm sure the Mini SE is okay because it's the same thing as the Mini. But this Mini 2 is so nice, man. You just don't get any better than this. Ah, it's just sweet. God, is that thing nice. It just steers so sweet. Wow. And it's a little bit windy out too, so it doesn't affect this thing. This thing's a beast. Beast mode. Alright guys, I'm going to cut the video. I'll throw it in there somewhere. And yeah, we're just going to land it up. Yeah, there it goes. Yay! Oh God, my knees are killing me. I'm going to go up to Buena Vista tomorrow morning. I'm going to try to make it out further with the Ingui, so we'll have a little, maybe a little something going on with that. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later, man. Have a nice day.